abazaire na mnonga babana babaturobwize binjo mu rubona bagira ngo bashobirwe barimo kucerera bikwasiraho na mnonga pooriisi ekabura okubahwera.
Hati omwana yasiga handikire baruwe yagamba nyowe mbaire ningonza kuhita habo kuba ninkutina muno kandi nyowe nkakusobeza nyowe nyine enda kandi hanu nindora tinkwikaraho hati nyowe ngenzere kityo tinkumanya mbere nesa eno omwana tinkumanya alinka baitu contact numbers za abantu be zogurwa mutwekere na abantu bekaye na nyina na ise rwa mutwekere bona contact numbers zabo ziri mu barua hano.
Banyambe bakwato mutabanoli hakiri agende mu nkomo ndekyo ni kinyenda nanga ngagenda musipataro mana bamupima bagamba omutabana kamutunga ni nyenda government enyambe
pitabaho all station wa Bundibugyo na jangu emishango ekwate no kutoroboza na file kubuza misho wenkomo ebemezi takachimanyire araganise okurateriza inshongezi.
And I said this before my chairman that I'll personally take interest in this case because it is unheard of. It is unheard of where a police file gets lost. So I want to appeal to her. I've gotten her contact and the case, the file number. I'll follow it up with her. Because the person has not been arrested and I think she's trying to follow up. The same applies to the case of Nyauka. Because they are both school-going children. One of them is in Fort Portal and the girl is in at Christ, I think. So
abazaire abakucyakoragana n'abahambi omunshongezi nabo bonjire n'ababajumer.
Now this is where I would appeal the cultural leaders and the church. In the Bundibugyo child cases, they are as high as we hear the word itself. Girls are between the ages of 13 and 17. They know sex knowledge, they have engaged in sex activities, and when parents come and report defilement, you find they are all juveniles.
We want a better nation, we want a better Bundibugyo, but we want the well-being of our children. They must be educated, they must be protected so that they can thrive, they can lead dignified lives.
Child marriage, violates the rights of boys and girls.
Gashakwa Sunday Lodgers.